Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Days Gone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Days Gone game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, if you wish to change the language within the game, click on the options menu. And within this setting, you will see the language at the top section. Go ahead and click on it. And now you can change the language for the dialogue text as well as subtitle text. Just click on the arrow keys at the left and right in order to choose your desired language for all of these parameters. After choosing your desired language, you can go back to your menu and the game might restart after your language has changed. And once the restart process is complete, your chosen language will immediately be applied to the Days Gone game and you can now continue your game forward. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language within the Days Gone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.